Hello everyone, welcome back to Hiru Handmade Crochet. Today I'm excited to show you how to make an easy textured triangle pattern. This simple yet beautiful design is great for beginners and can be used for various projects like shawls, bunting or even blankets. So let's get started. I'm going to use milk cotton yarn along with the 2.5mm crochet hook to make this. So let's get started with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times and then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have our magic ring. In the first round, we are going to chain 5, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Like that we will continue 3, 4 and 5. And then we will work 5 double crochets inside the magic ring. So wrap the yarn, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the first double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets over here. Like that we will continue 3, 4, and 5. After completing 5 double crochets, we need to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work another 5 double crochets inside the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work another 4 double crochets inside the magic ring. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like so, and then work a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point to join the round. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. So we will insert the hook into the third chain. Yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. Now we have completed our first round. This is what it looks like. And then we will start with round 2. There we need to work a slip stitch into the chain 3 space here to move the loop. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we moved the loop into the chain 3 space and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work 1 double crochet inside the chain 3 space. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and then work another 2 double crochets in the same chain 3 space. 1 and 2. Now we are going to go into the first double crochet here and work a front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the first double crochet like this, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a front post double crochet. Now we are going to work a back post double crochet into the next double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next double crochet from the back like this, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a back post double crochet. Again we need to work a front post double crochet into the next double crochet here. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next double crochet from the front, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again a back post double crochet into the next stitch here. So go into the next double crochet from the back and create the double crochet. Now we have one last double crochet here. There we need to work a front post double crochet. Remember we started from a front post double crochet and ending here with a front post double crochet again. This is what it looks like. And then we reach the corner. There we need to work 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets. So we will work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, then chain 3 and then work another 2 double crochets into the chain 3 space, 1 and 2. Now work a front post double crochet into the first stitch here, and a back post double crochet into the second stitch, again a front post double crochet into the next stitch, again a back post double crochet into the stitch after that, now a front post double crochet into the last stitch here. Now we reach the next corner. There we need to work 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets, 1 and 2 double crochets, chain 3, again 2 double crochets into the same chain 3 space. Now we will continue the pattern again. Work a front post double crochet and a back post double crochet, again a front post double crochet and a back post double crochet and a front post double crochet into the last stitch here. Now we need to join the round by working a slip stitch into the third chain. So insert the hook into the third chain, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the second round as well. And then we will start with round 3. Work a slip stitch on top of the next double crochet and then work a slip stitch into the chain 3 space. Now chain 3 and work 1 double crochet into the chain 3 space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work 2 double crochets into the same chain 3 space again. 1 and 2. Now we created the first corner of the triangle, and then we will go into the first double crochet here and work a front post double crochet. Again work a back post double crochet into the next stitch. Now repeat the pattern, work a front post double crochet into the front post double crochet of the previous round. Now a back post double crochet into the back post double crochet of the previous round. Now go into the front post double crochet of the previous round and work another front post double crochet. Again a back post double crochet and a front post double crochet. Now a back post double crochet into the next double crochet here. And then a front post double crochet into the next double crochet here. Again work 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets into the corner. 1 and 2. Then chain 3 and work another 2 double crochets into the same chain 3 space. 1 and 2. Now repeat the same pattern again. A front post double crochet, a back post double crochet, again a front post double crochet. Like that we will continue. Now we reach the corner of the triangle. There we need to work 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets into the corner. Now repeat the pattern again. Front post double crochet and a back post double crochet. Like that we will repeat the pattern again. This is the last front post double crochet of the round, and then we will go into the third chain from the starting point and work a slip stitch. Now this is the exact pattern we need to repeat. I'm going to repeat it once more to complete the round 4. Only the number of front post and back post double crochets are going to be differ. In the round 4 we will just complete the round and see how to finish the work. Now I'm at the end of the round 4, and then we will work a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point to join the round like this. This is what we have completed so far. You can just increase the number of rounds as you wish. And then we can just leave a little tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. And then we can simply use the yarn needle to hide the tail like this. Thank you for crocheting this textured triangle with me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to use this pattern in your next project. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fun crochet tutorials. See you in the next video.